हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में वी टॉक्ड अबाउट बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज. This is our second lecture on basic trigonometry. In the first lecture we discussed about what is sin A. As we told you, it was perpendicular over hypotenuse. अब perpendicular is एंगल के सामने का साइड जो है उसको आपने हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर लेना है और जो एंगल के एडजेसेंट साइड है उसको आपने बेस मानना है. क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो लेट्स से अगर आपको ये पूछा जाए कि फॉर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज फॉर एंगल सी, इन दिस केस सिचुएशन विल बी डिफरेंट. तब आपके लिए परपेंडिकुलर ए बी होगा और बेस BC होगा. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो भी एंगल के लिए आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज डिफाइन कर रहे हैं उसके ऑपोजिट साइड should be your perpendicular and the adjacent side be taken as base. So sin A was defined as perpendicular over hypotenuse, that was BC over AC. Cos A was defined as base over hypotenuse, that is AB over AC, and tan A was defined as perpendicular over base, that is BC over AB. Now from these two, that is sin A over cos A, what will happen if I divide sin A by cos A? It will look like this: perpendicular over hypotenuse divided by base over hypotenuse. Now what will happen? These hypotenuse will cancel out and you will be left with perpendicular over base, and this is nothing but your tan A. So now we have another relationship with us. Tan A is equal to sin A over cos A. Please remember this. Now let's come to a question: how we can find different ratios in a triangle. Let's say we are given a triangle. Let us call it P, Q and R, where this Q is right angle and we have to find the trigonometric ratios for this angle R. And we are also given that the sides are of this triangle are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and we have to define trigonometric ratios for this angle R. So what will happen? As this is a right angle triangle, we can find the length of this PR using Pythagoras theorem. So what will be this? PR square would be PQ square plus QR square. That means 8 square plus 6 square, that will be 64 plus 36 is equal to 100, and this will give you PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So now you have this hypotenuse as 10 centimeter. So now the only job remained is how to define sin R, cos R, tan R, etc. So as you know, sin R, okay, let's do it here.